Okay, I'm at my dad's house. I'm going to do a video of the smoke alarms with the smoke spray that I got. I'm gonna do the Nest smoke detector and show you how it works. I tested it the other day with the smoke spray. It was pretty interesting. So I'm gonna try to do that real quick, and I might do the other ones. I don't know how well those ones work when I try it, but I'm gonna do this one first. So I'm gonna give it like a spray or two. We'll see how that works. Because I wanted to do video of it. And it takes a second usually. Sometimes I have to spray it more than once. There we go.
Heads up, there's smoke.
And then it goes off.
Emergency. There's smoke. In the hallway. Press to silence. Emergency. Smoke alarm silenced in the hallway.
So I got the notification on my phone from the app that there's smoke. So if there was a fire, it would let you know on your phone, as you can see, and it lets you know if it's silenced also, as you can see. Well, you know, if you can see the notification, but that's what it does when it's silenced. And then when it clears out, then it will do a sound and say smoke's cleared out. So I don't know if I'll be able to get that on video. So, but I'll try. And there's this smoke detector here. I think this one's hardwired. I'm gonna try something though. See if it's hardwired. So I don't know if you can see that green dot there. That means it's hardwired. So if it worked, it would set off all the other ones.
The smoke alarm is over.
So I'm glad I was able to get that on video. I didn't know it would clear off that fast. What I'm gonna try to do is spray this one, see if it works. I don't know if it'll work or not, but if it worked, it would set off all of them, or it should. Which I'm gonna turn off the light so I can see it better. And it flashes red every like 30 to 40 seconds while things are good. Even though it's green, it means it's hardwired, but if it flashes red fast, it means it's going off. I keep trying. Yeah, I can't get this one to go off for some reason. I could try the basement one, but I don't know if it's hardwired. I know it was. I don't know. I think the one in here is hardwired because it's got a green light. I could try that one and see. But like I said, these don't really work well or beep loud like they should. So there's one right there. Let me try this one again. Just takes a second. I hear them, but you can see they don't do anything. It was going off for a sec though. And so you can see just, that one sometimes goes off. When I tested it once. I'll try the basement one. That one would sometimes set off the other ones when I tested it. But it doesn't have the green light, so I don't know if it'll work. We'll try. See? Yep. It says there's a fire. It says going off, but it doesn't beep right. So and it stopped. But yeah, these old smoke detectors suck. That's why I added new ones. That one's so high up, I don't know if I'll be able to reach it, but try that one. Oh, it's going off. It's just not doing it loud. And it's not setting off the other ones either. That one's going off, but barely. And it's not setting off that one, I don't think. Because that one works sometimes. So that's why I don't like these. I wish that worked. Because these are the original with the house, but they don't work. But at least the next one works, and then, yeah, the other ones I had downstairs work. Well, that's all I'm gonna do today. I just wanted to do a video of that and show you.